traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 27th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top-down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did make another pretty good push up today, and really every single higher time frame is in an uptrend. So, like I've been saying, honestly, you should definitely just continue to look for longs 100%. Now, I definitely wouldn't disagree with anybody that says this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down like a wave A. I have my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here because if we do get a Fibonacci bounce, like a nice engulfing move to the downside, it probably would be the end of a wave B. It probably would go down for a wave C. But it's just as likely and maybe even more probable that this is just going to keep on trending up. So be very, very cautious about sorting it. Like I said, the trend is up on literally every single higher time frame, so you really should mainly be focused on going long at the end of pullbacks. So checking out the news calendar, we do have some Aussie news this evening, CPI for the Aussie. That's actually one of the highlights of the week as far as the news is concerned, definitely. It's at 2:30 in the morning UK time, so definitely not going to be something I trade. And then we got Waller speaks. Usually she doesn't really do a whole lot, and we got crude oil news tomorrow. Maybe, some entries on the oil pairs, but probably not going to affect the dollar pairs. But Wednesday is definitely known to be one of the most volatile days of the week, so should be a pretty good day tomorrow, even without the dollar news. So anyways, definitely don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.